Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to screen record presentation with audio. Recording a presentation with audio is a great way to create tutorials, lectures, or business presentations that can be shared later. OBS Studio lets you capture your presentation along with your microphone and, if needed, your computer's audio. Once everything is configured, you can record both your slides and narration in a single video. To begin, open the OBS Studio on your computer. Create a new scene by clicking the plus button in the Scenes panel. Name your Scenes panel and click OK. Click the plus button in the Sources panel and select Display, Capture, or Window Capture for your presentation. Name your Sources panel and click OK. Choose the presentation window or your entire screen, then click OK. Verify that your microphone appears in the audio mixer and is not muted. If you want to record your computer sounds, make sure desktop audio is enabled in the audio mixer, right here. Then click the settings, open the output tab. Here, select your recording quality and save location on the recording path. Click apply, then OK to save your recording settings. Open your presentation and full screen mode for the view you want to record. Return to the OBS Studio and click Start Recording. Switch back to your presentation and begin presenting while speaking into your microphone. Advance through your slides at your preferred pace while OBS records both the presentation and audio. When your presentation is complete, return to the OBS Studio and click Stop Recording. Finally, open the Save Recording from your selected folder to review the video and confirm that both the presentation and audio were captured successfully. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.